Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Charita Jones, checking in. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. In today's video, I want to do a Scentsy laundry review video, guys. I know you guys have heard of our Scentsy laundry line products. I know you've heard how amazing Scentsy's products is. So I just wanted to come and do a quick review on our laundry love bundle. So this is our love bundle. With a love bundle, you get a big tub of washer whiffs. So this is called washer whiff. So you get a big tub of this, and then you get 2 of these discs, which comes with 4 discs inside, because each box has 2 discs in them. And the discs look like this. They come like this with 2 of them, and yes, it's so good. It makes your clothes smell so nice, guys. You smell so good, and when people see you walking down the street, they go, "Oh my God, you smell so good. What is that? What is that?" And then apply with all of your Scentsy fragrances, because you know Scentsy has body cream, they have lotion, they have body perfume, fragrance rollers, different things to make you smell good on top of your laundry smelling good. Okay, so everybody was saying, "Oh my God, you smell so good. You smell so amazing." It's the talk of the town. I swear to you, I promise you, you will be the talk of the town when you indulge and engulf yourself with Scentsy. Yes. So this is also our laundry detergent. Our laundry detergent is very concentrate. So you get 20 fluid ounces of this, and then you get the actual, you get 2 of these for your laundry love. And then you also get this big tub of whiffs. So that is called the Laundry Love Bundle, Scentsy Laundry Love Bundle. So I want to tell you what the actual laundry does. The laundry liquid, enzyme the grime is what they say. Enzyme the grime. A powerful 6 enzyme formula attacks difficult stains while penetrating cleaning agents lift away the dirt. So I love that. Leaves laundry remarkably clean. It does, as it enlivens, or you can say enlivens, your clothes, linens, and towels with our signature fragrances. Enough detergent for medium loads. You get 50 medium loads out of this, 50 medium loads. And I guess if you was doing a large load, you can put it in, say, 25 large loads. But either way, you get 50 medium loads out of this 24 fluid ounce, because it's very concentrate. So I would say 4 pumps. That's what I use. 4 pumps per load. That's what I use. Okay, and then when you're putting that in, you'll take a scoop of this, a scoop of the washer whiffs. So with our washer whiffs, guys, you have it's like scent granules. So I want to give you an idea of what it looks like. So I'm going to open this up on camera. Bear with me for one moment. Got to get this open for you. And so so it's our it's wrapped up in this plastic. So and then here it has a little tab here where you just pop that. Let me try to get the tab pop it like that. Ta-ta! And so I'm a huge fan of this. I use all of our Scentsy products, all of them. And so, as you can see, it smells so good. So it's granules. See the granules? And then it comes with a scoop. It comes with a scoop. And so all you have to do is use 1 or 2 scoops. It's up to you on how many scoops you want to use. You can fill it up to the brim. It smells so good. This is jammy time. Smells so good. So you can smell it. Oh, it smells so good. So those are the granules, and you put that inside each laundry. So scent granules gives clothes, towels, and blankets a fragrance boost with just 1 scoop. So I use 2 scoops. I use 2 scoops. And you just add it to your washer drum. Best when used with our laundry liquid, available in 2 sizes. So you got a 16-ounce size, and then you got a 48-ounce size. So I'm going to post a picture here of our 16-ounce size, and it comes with this is a 48 ounces, which is the tub. So I love that. And so the next thing is our dry disc. So whenever I use our dry disc, I normally pop in these 2. So one dry disc gives you 15 loads. So both of them together can give you 30 loads. They smell really good. They last really long. I normally throw them in my hamper or in my drawer when I'm done using them until the scent is no longer. But usually I'll be like, "Oh, I got so many." So add it to your add a dryer disc to your dryer and infuse your clothes with scent for up to 15 loads, and you get 2 packs. So add a dryer disc. So that's 1 if you want, but I add 2. So my clothes be really infused with the scent. So yes, that is our laundry love review. So I absolutely love our Scentsy line. I love our Scentsy Laundry. I'm a huge fan of the products. As you guys know, I'm my biggest customer, guys. So go to wicklessallstars.com. Check it out, guys. Check out all of the products that Scentsy has to offer. You can also add these to your Scentsy Club, guys. With a $30 order on a Scentsy Club, you'll get 10% off. With a $60 order or more, you get 10% off. Plus, you'll get a half price item. You can actually get this laundry love bundle for half price, guys, and you can get a washer with half price, or you can get whatever you want for half price, and then you also get the 10% off. So I love being a part of the Scentsy Club. I love adding things to our Scentsy Club. So huge fan. You guys already know that. So I just wanted to come and do a laundry review, guys. So try our laundry products, try all the products, and tell me what you think. Comment below. What's your favorite scent? Talk to you later, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye.